What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be making cannabis infused chocolate covered strawberry nugs. So let's get into it. The ingredients to make this recipe would be food coloring, white chocolate, Oreo cookies, strawberries, and your cannabis oil. Alright, the first step would be to blend your cookies. Once your cookies are blended, add your cookies to a Ziploc bag. So I'm going to add my cookies mixed to 3 different Ziploc bags. Once you add your cookies to your Ziploc bag, add your food coloring. So the colors that I will be using to color my cookies will be yellow and green. Now for the next bag, I'm going to be adding dark green coloring. For the last bag, I'm going to be using sunset yellow. This is the dark green one. This is the light green one. And this is the orange one. Once you add your food coloring to your cookies, melt your chocolate and infuse your chocolate. So I'm going to be using the double boiler method to melt my chocolate. So let's get into it. Once your chocolate is completely melted, add your cannabis oil. Now mix the ingredients together. Now let it simmer for a few minutes. While your chocolate is simmering, get your strawberries and add a stick to your strawberries. Before you dip your strawberries into your white chocolate, pour your colored cookies into a bowl. Once you add your cookies to your bowl, get your strawberries and add it to your white chocolate. Alright guys, my cannabis infused strawberry nuts is done. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.